opens with Jude and CJ interrogating Dudong in the warehouse. Dudong is visibly shaken.
Truth, Dudong, where are you at the night of 14?
Or did someone else join your someone like Christian?
What you're talking about?
Christian enters, flanked by two other men. He's confident and menacing.
Like playing someone defective. I suggest you focus on real criminals.
Getting close, Christian. Rika's testimony is damning.
If that rich is a loose cannon, you can trust anything she has.
A thin silence hangs in the air. Rika's voice is heard from the shadows.
Oh, but I'm very trustworthy for the right price.